Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the controller down and removing the battery pack. This prevents shorts and accidental inputs. Once done, remove the rubber grips and the 4 visible screws, then pry the shell open gently with a spudger. Make sure to note screw locations, as some are different lengths. You'll expose the board and stick modules next. Take a clear photo now so you can reassemble in the right order. This is the first actionable step toward fixing a stick that drifts up. You'll now detach the ribbon or connector and inspect the joystick module closely for dust, hair, or a torn rubber boot that lets grime in. Then, dip a cotton swab in 99% isopropyl and gently clean around the potentiometer. Avoid soaking the board. If you see cracked solder joints at the joystick pins, reflow them with a fine tip iron. This restores reliable contact. Make sure to test the stick with the shell partly reassembled to confirm the drift is reduced before full reassembly. If cleaning didn't fix it, you'll either recalibrate or replace the joystick. Start with console calibration. Navigate to controller settings and run the stick calibration. This can remove minor offsets. Once done, if drift persists, order a compatible joystick module and swap it, matching orientation and soldering carefully. After reassembly, perform a full test: buttons, triggers, and a 10-minute play session to confirm stability. If you still see upward drift, retry cleaning contacts and inspect the replacement for defects. That's the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.